Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AppLovers. I hope you all are happy. Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss apps, uncovering the top 5 apps that can kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If new people was watching this video, please like and subscribe our channel and continue the video. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is ASICS Runkeeper Run Tracker. Is your ultimate run tracking companion with GPS accuracy, real-time coaching, and personalized training plans. This app helps you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, Runkeeper is your ultimate running companion. With its GPS tracking, personalized training plans, and audio cues, find a training plan fit to your schedule and listen good guided workouts. And Runkeeper helps you stay motivated and on track to reach your fitness goals. Zooming into the number 4 spot is Sworkit Fitness Workouts, your on-the-go personal trainer. With customizable workouts for every fitness level, this app makes it easy to stay active anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to boring workouts with Sworkit, your personal trainer in your pocket. With a wide variety of customizable workout plans and video demonstrations, Sworkit makes it easy to fit exercise into your busy schedule and stay consistent on your fitness journey. Securing the 3rd spot is JEFIT Gym Workout Plan Tracker, your personal gym companion. With a vast exercise database, whether you're hitting the gym or working out at home, JEFIT has everything you need to crush your fitness. With its extensive exercise database, customizable workout plans, and progress tracking tools, JEFIT ensures you get the most out of every workout session. Coming in at number 2 is Calorie Counter by FatSecret, your ultimate companion for achieving your health and fitness goals. Take control of your nutrition with FatSecret's easy-to-use calorie tracking with this app. With this scanner, we can scan our food items and see how much calories is there in our food items. Download Calorie Counter by FatSecret today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. And claiming the top spot on our list is MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter, your ultimate tool for achieving your health and fitness goals. MyFitnessPal is the ultimate calorie counting app, trusted by millions of users worldwide. With its extensive food database, barcode scanner, and nutrition tracking tools, MyFitnessPal makes it easy to monitor your calorie intake and achieve your weight loss goals. And there you have it, the top 5 fitness apps that can help you achieve your weight loss goals and lead a healthier lifestyle. Which one will you be downloading to kickstart your fitness journey? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for a healthier you. Thank you.